Oops. Hi.
Hi.
Most embarrassing slash funny things.
Convention
Yeah.
happenings.
Thingies.
Anything with the actors and meeting them, and always something funny happens.
Yeah. So we were at Weekend of Hell last year.
Yes.
Was
last year.
Yeah, you
At
were
least last
working.
year and the year before, so it depends on who we're gonna talk about.
Yeah, Mark Boone.
Oh.
Jr.
Yes, that was
And
awkward.
David LaBrava. Yeah, it was
Yes.
you.
Yeah, it was me who did it. Yes.
It was
There were so many people at Weekend of
many
Hell.
people. Yeah. And mostly we're always sneaking a peek.
We're looking around and see if we could see David and Mark, and yeah, we're big fans of Son of Anarchy.
They're walking loose.
So yeah, they were
Yeah.
walking around all the time, and it was just yeah.
Yeah.
We wanted to see a bit more. We already had a photo shoot, which was great. So we were just
there was
looking around some
an
more.
open space. It was
Yes.
suddenly it wasn't.
there was just space, and I thought, hey,
Hey.
from this spot I can look at David LaBrava very well. Mark Boone Jr. wasn't there. They were mostly sitting next to each other, but at that moment it was just David.
But he
So-
was.
Liv and I were standing there, and I just said to Liv, well, this is an excellent spot now. I can stare without shame at David LaBrava. And then Liv had already seen it, but didn't tell me
Yeah.
yet.
No. I looked at you and I thought I feel something in my neck. So I turned my head and there was Mark Boone Jr. standing
Yes.
behind us.
All the time when
Yeah.
I was rambling about David LaBrava.
So I looked at him. I think I said hi or
Yeah, I just said, and then I left.
I looked at you. I said.
So yeah.
So for the looking at David LaBrava without shame.
Yeah.
There was a
Really
lot of
was.
shame. You did the walk of shame.
Yes. I went away pretty quickly.
Yeah, that was great. It was a great moment. Bye.
Bye.